In this tutorial, we will guide you through creating a graduated bead component for stunning jewelry pieces. By the end, you'll have a lovely piece that can be added to a bracelet, necklace, or even a hairpin. Start with an 18-gauge wire. Make a simple loop at one end using round nose pliers. This creates a long eye pin. Next, take a 20-gauge wire. Bend it so that one side has 20 centimeters and the other side has 30 centimeters. Now attach this wire at the bend to the 18-gauge wire beneath the loop. Use pliers to tighten the loop. It's time to add some beads. Start with the smallest bead, a 6mm one, on the 18-gauge core wire. Wrap the longer tail of the wire around one side of the bead. Bring the wire behind the 18-gauge core. Wrap the 20-gauge wire around the top to secure it in place. Next, add the second bead, an 8mm one, and repeat the wrapping process around it. Attach the wire around the core for a full wrap to secure this bead. Progress to the next largest bead, which should be 10mm. Again, wrap the framing wire around it. Continue this process by adding smaller beads back down to 8mm, then finish with another 6mm bead. Each bead will be framed with the 20-gauge wire as before. Now it's time to add decorative coils. Coil the tail of the 20-gauge wire with 0.4mm wire for about 13 centimeters. Start the coil towards the end of the wire and slide it next to the bead. Cut off and tuck in the starting tail of the weaving coiling wire. Ensure each bead is properly framed with both coiled and uncoiled wire. Continue wrapping the coil around all of the beads, flattening down into position with pliers if necessary. Each bead should have a coiled wire framing one half of the bead and the uncoiled 20-gauge wire framing the other side. When you reach the last bead, check if you need more coils and adjust accordingly. Secure the 20-gauge wire around the core wire underneath the loop, then cut and tuck any excess wire. Next, take the remaining short end of the 20-gauge wire. Bend it around to the opposite side, following the coiled wire. Continue wrapping this wire around each bead closely to secure them. Once done, wrap the remaining wire around the core 18-gauge wire twice before trimming any excess. Bend the 18-gauge wire at a 90-degree angle. Using round nose pliers, form a loop equal in size to the first loop and trim any excess wire. This can now be curved gently to fit the shape intended. For bracelets, curve it to fit the wrist. For necklaces, turn the ends upward gently. Finally, you can open the loops to attach a chain. Now that you know how to create this beautiful jewelry component, it's time to get crafting. Discover even more free jewelry making patterns at wirejewelry.com/getpatterns or scan the QR code to get started.